Sa mga oras ito, dako muna tayo sa Palasyo ng Malacanang para po sa mga mahalagang balita doon. Nakatutok doon ang aming kasamang si Elena Luna, mag-uulat ng live.
Maraming salamat, Kirby. Kagagaling-galing lamang ni Pangulong Aquino sa taunang bulong-pulungan sa Sofitel kung saan ay sumasagot siya sa mga tanong ng mga veteranong mamamahayag. Dito ay sinabi ng Pangulo na sa paghahanda sa bagyong Ruby, sinabi niya na hindi sapat na gumagawa ng kanilang trabaho ang mga kinatawan ng ahensya ng pamahalaan, kundi dapat daw ay gawin nila ang nararapat. Sinabi rin ng Pangulo kanina, sumagot din ng Pangulo kanina sa isang personal na katanungan. Ayon sa kanya, nagdadasal o kinakausap niya ang mga magulang, lalo na sa pamumuno ng bansa, at kagabi raw ay ginawa niya ito.
At the end of the day, I think I'm ultimately responsible for how this government works. And I want to impress upon everybody that it's not just doing something, but rather doing the right thing. And in certain instances, I really have to, how should I say, press and overcome the inertia of some of the members of the bureaucracy. And I think that question would be better put to the secretaries present who are, who they claim are sometimes tortured and have to endure a thesis-like defense presentation whenever I have to ask the questions. But at the end of the day, I really want to be able to say to myself when I look at myself in the mirror that we have done everything that was humanly possible to address whatever issue it was. And I impress upon that on all the members of this government and not just in the executive that we do bear a responsibility to everybody, and we should not have a period where we are regretting that we could have done something and we didn't choose to do so. So perhaps that is my way of making sure that everybody is doing the utmost in their respective roles.
Kanina rin, Kirby, ay sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi siya interesado sa anumang elective position matapos bumaba sa pwesto sa taong 2016. Ayon sa kanya, kapag hindi na siya presidente ay mamamahinga siya ng 1 taon. Uuwi raw siya sa bahay nila sa Times 3 at inaabangan niya ang pagkakataon na maaari siyang mag-grocery at kumain sa fast food chains.
After 2016, I think the foremost on my mind, together with my cabinet, is to take at least a year break and recharge and recover from all the tensions, turmoil, concerns over the past 6 years by that time. So I think I will try to look for a means to serve in another capacity rather than elective office.
Sinabi rin ng Pangulo, Kirby, na sa nakatakda nilang pagkikita ng Santo Papa sa Enero ay hihilingin niya na ipagdasal hindi ang kanyang sarili kundi ang ating bansa, lalo pa tinatamaan tayo ng mga trahedya at mga disasters gaya ng earthquake at saka mga bagyo. Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na magkakaroon ng 1 oras na pagpupulong silang dalawa ng Papa at hahayaan daw niya na ang Papa ang magtanong sa kanya.
We are visited by so many typhoons, and they come in at very unseasonal moments, and they're very strong. We also have the earthquakes and the volcanoes. And our ability to stop the cycle of destruction and reconstruction. The goal really is to, when we reconstruct, it's better. It withstands the glowing intensity of the effects of global climate change better. And our people are spared the ravages of the increasing challenges. So I'm sure some are asking, why are we being visited with all of this? Always at this point when it is supposed to be the most joyous and most celebratory period of the year.
Tapos kanina rin, Kirby, ay nagawa ang tradisyonal na itinatanong kay Pangulong Aquino tuwing dumadalo siya sa bulong-pulungan. Ito ay ang kanyang Christmas wish at narito ang kanyang naging tugon.
Christmas to the Filipinos is family time, and hopefully, family. We have 10 million Filipinos supposed to be out of the country, and you'd want some contact between the 10 million and their families here, and quality time at that. Not centered on the material things, but rather really being able to relish each second that you have to spend with each other. So, the wish really is that we have that peaceful moment where we are not confronted with very severe challenges like last year's, and that we are focused on really just pausing and enjoying something that is so intrinsically part of the Filipino culture, which is having that family time. So if we are able to assist in maximizing that opportunity, then I think that is the central wish.
Samantala, Kirby, hindi pa natatapos ang araw ng Biyernes para kay Pangulong Aquino. Mamayang alas 4 ng hapon ay magkakaroon ng programa sa loob ng palasyo kung saan ay pangungunahan niya ang Year 2014 Presidential Awards for Filipino Individuals and Organization Overseas. Dito ay pararangalan ang 33 OFWs at mga organisasyon bilang pagkilala sa kanilang kontribusyon para isulong ang kapakanan ng mga Pilipino. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Elena.